Hi Prithviraj, are you there? Shall we start? Okay, great. Done. What we are going to see now is about Google Ads. We will see how Google Ads works and what is the benefits of Google Ads and why we are going for an advertisement. And We will see how to do that Google Ads with the expert mode in the Google platform. All right. Google Ads. So now go back to the current board. Okay, let's start. We will use the same keyword which we had seen in the morning for the SEO process. Okay, let me to check whether I'm sharing my screen properly as you are presenting. All right, done. Okay, so the Google search ad are something which will be displayed in the top four and bottom four of the first page, and tops four and bottom four of the second page, and that's how it goes on. Okay, so the reason why people are coming for this Google ads is the reason is because even though there is a high amount of organic traffic which is going, organic people who are going through the organic results, there is a big amount of people who view the advertisement, and if it interests them, and they are going through the advertisement options, and they are making their objective to be satisfied. For an example, here the people are searching for website designing training, so they are looking for some training center. So here I have some advertisements which are one from codeacademy.com and another from udemy.com, and something might be more in the below level. So along with this, I have some organic results as well. Like for an example, for here I can able to see Suleka and Fita and etc etc. Right. So one thing is, if the people audience who sees this advertisement, and if they feel something is there in this advertisement, they will definitely click this advertisement and view what is there in the website, right? So this is how Google ads works. So we will be paying the Google through the cost per click method. That means once this advertisement is shown in this search engine, we are not going to pay the Google for any impressions here. For showing this advertisement in this search result, it is free. But when someone clicks this particular link, or someone clicks this particular link, then we will be paying for the Google. That means Google ensures that only we have to make the payment if there is some. Let me check if there is any message. I feel that your audio is breaking up. Give me a minute. Let me check the internet connectivity whether it is fine. It seems the internet is fine. Then it is supposed to be of good audio. Hi Prashant, is it audible now? Can you able to hear me loud and clear? Yes. All right. That's great. Done. So where I had left is, okay. Let me to go for one more search. And website design training. Okay. So, as I had already told you, so Google will charge us only if there is some clicks. So that means Google ensures that only if there is any benefit for the advertisers who are making the advertisement in Google search, Google will make a charge. Okay. So that means if so these advertisements are shown in Google search will not make any, Google search will not put any cost on advertisers for anything which has been shown on the Google search result. Okay. So here there are a lot of positions like the codeacademy.com is the first position and then Udemy is the second position. So how this ranking works is based on bidding. So if codeacademy.com has chosen this keyword and if it is ready to make a payment of some X value, and if Udemy is ready to make a payment which is more than X value, then this Udemy will come to this position. Okay. And along with this bidding, Google will also consider one more fact, that is ad rank. So I will mention the ad rank here as well. Ad rank. So this ad rank is something, it is something we can consider like how the SEO ranking is there. Similarly, we have an ad rank. So ad rank will give you an additional ROI in, in such a way that even the bidding is more. If the ad rank is a combination of bidding as well as how much this advertisement is relevant for the keywords that people are searching for. So it is ultimately something similar to how the SEO works, but still it has an added one more additional term that is called bidding. So when people bids and when people has an optimization for a keyword that they are searching for, it will show the particular advertisement at top position. And if the keyword is, if they are bidding more but still if the particular website is not having a proper keyword element, if it is not so appropriate, it will not rank in the first position, right? So let me tell you how it works. So here we had searched for the word website design training, and we have the same keyword in web design training in the title, and the some relevant keywords in the description as well. And here we have web design online course, right? So these two advertisements had chosen the keyword website design training to be advertised with their own company, right? They will be having their own bid. But still, codeacademy.com is showing at the first position for two reasons. One is it might giving a higher bid. Second reason is it might have a higher relevance. So it is having a higher relevance. That is why we can able to see this site extensions. These four things are site extensions. This is offered at free of cost for the advertisement which is having higher relevance. So we can able to show these four links along with the website link that we are having, which we are promoting in Google, and so that we will have more attention towards the people through for from towards the audience, from which we can able to make some better conversions. Here there is a learn from home and browse course catalog, analyze data with Python and accelerate your career. These terms do not appeal to be making something not making so what to say, tempting or not so catchy to make the conversion, to make the person to click that link. Suppose instead consider, here we had given us 100% job placement, and here we had given that 20% discount, hurry up. So if these kind of words has been implemented in these extensions, then people will have a higher intent, people will have a higher tendency to go and click that particular link, right? So this is how the optimization has to be there, and once the optimization is there, there will be a large amount of click-through rates will be there, and through which we will get a improved ad rank once again. So by these methods, we can able to reduce the cost that we are bidding per click when we are promoting for a particular keyword in Google Ads. Okay, so let us have an experiment. Hopefully it has to work. So web design online course is the keyword that we are going to search now. So hopefully these two both the websites or might be additional websites might be promoting for the same keyword, but let us see which is coming first, and let us see which is coming next. Okay, so what we have here is web designing course online. So that means what? This codeacademy.com had created one more advertisement for the keyword web design online course. So that means that is why it is reflecting here web designing course online in the title, and along with it, it has kickstart your career today, and it has been added. It might be a responsive ad as well. So when there is a change in search term, it changes the title. So let us try one more option whether this responsive keyword is working or not. So web designing course online, enroll now for a special offer. So I think this udemy.com is not a responsive advertisement, so that is why the title has not changed. But when we have this code academy, it has a response, it is running in a responsive text ad, so that is why the title has been changed, and we will be seeing what is this responsive ad and what is this text ad while we are going to execute the Google Ads, Google search ad that we are going to do it with the ads platform. Okay, so here we have some four advertisements. So previously, what we had seen are the site extensions. Okay, so the site extensions through which we will be clicking, and we will be making we're making some additional clicks. And you can also see here there are one, two, three lines which has been shown as a description. And when we comes to the last two advertisements, only one line has been shown. The reason is these advertisements are paying more, or otherwise these advertisements has a better click-through rate. Okay, so this is based on these factors, Google will decide how much lines it has to show, and what are the options that it has to give for a particular keyword, as a additional benefit. So here we can see that there are no site extensions which has been provided here. And similarly in the second advertisement which is showing here, we have additional options for having a click through option, which is Blog Center, Help Center, download a mobile app, and about Udemy. So the difference between the site extension and the option which has been provided here is the site extensions will have a description associated with that. And this option which has been provided here, these bullet points, I will explain you what is this bullet points, and it will not have any description. Rather, it will just have a link for all the for the link for a website that has been decided to provide as an option for them to have a reach. Okay, so this is a shorter version by which we can able to show much higher links to the people who are running the advertisement, and through which we can able to redirect the people to multiple sub pages of a website, and at the same time reducing the having a lower amount of space which has been utilized. So if we utilize this kind of extensions, then we will be having a higher chance of showing this hyperlink extensions as well, the description and title, when we are having our advertisement shown in second or third as well. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay, so hope I had given you the enough information about what are the advertisements that will be shown for a particular keyword. And right now, let us go towards how to create this kind of search ads and what are the elements that are there in the Google search platform. Okay, to log into the Google Ads platform, we have to go to Google Ads. Not sure why it is taking this much of time. I'm having a better speed here, but why I'm not having? Why I could not able to open Google Ads? Okay, anyway, I will close this tab. Fine. So right now, I'm. This is the advertisement link that is ads.google.com. So I'm going to sign in here. While you are going to create this advertisement, you will be making a new account. Otherwise, if you already have an account, you can use the sign in option. It's very slow. Okay, so this is the Google Ads platform where you will be creating the search advertisement and display advertisement and all the other formats of advertisements that we'll be creating. So in this ad platform, this is the left hand side menu are the options that we have. In order to create a advertisement, and we will be seeing one by one, like what are the functions of this menu and how it has been structured and what are the how to see the data and how to make the configuration. We will see one by one. So to get an overview, I will explain you how this Google Ads platform works, how the Google Ads structure works. Okay, so inside the Google Ads platform, we will be having three columns, something like folders. One is campaign, and the second one is ad groups, and the third one is ads and extensions. Okay, so this campaign is something like the major high level folder, and ad groups are the folder inside the campaign folders, and ads and extensions are the something like files which are there inside the groups. So inside one campaign we can able to create multiple ad groups. So inside one ad group we can able to create multiple advertisements, and similarly we can able to create multiple extensions. Okay, so right now if we want to create a single only one search advertisement, or we are planning to create some multiple advertisement, that is not a matter. But even a single advertisement we require to create one campaign, one ad group, and one ad extension. Okay, we can't able to create just a single ad group and a single ad extension. So we require a campaign, and inside that campaign the minimum is one ad group is required, and inside the ad group the minimum is one ad is required to run the advertisement. Okay, so let us see what are the configurations that we can do in the campaign level configurations. So the campaign is element where we will be configuring which location we want to target, and what are the locations we want the advertisement to be shown. For an example, if you plan to run an advertisement only in India, or only in some particular state or city, or even a pin code or 5 kilometers, we can able to configure those data in this campaign level. Okay, and similarly, we will be giving the configuration of what is the type of campaign that we are targeting. Are we targeting a search advertisement, or are we targeting a display advertisement, or are we targeting something more? Are we targeting something like smart campaign, or are we doing some reach and awareness campaign? So these master level configurations we will be doing in campaign. So once this configuration is done, then all the ad groups which are there inside this ad campaign will have the same configuration which we have it in the campaign. Suppose if I had created some two or three ad groups, and all the ad groups will be running only for this location. It will not it cannot be configured for any other location. If we want to configure for any other location, what we have to do is we have to create one more campaign, and in the second campaign we have to change the location, and inside that campaign we have to create a separate ad group. That is how it works. Okay, so whatever the configurations that are made in the campaign level, it is master settings that will be applicable for ad groups, and that will be applicable for ads and extensions as well. Okay, so campaign level is a master level configurations for ad groups, and ad groups is the master level configurations for ads and extensions. Suppose if we had chosen some 10 keywords or 20 keywords, and for those if we create some advertisements, all the advertisements will be running for this 10 to 20 keywords. Whatever the ads which are there inside this ad group, all the advertisement will be running for all these 10 to 20 keywords. We can't able to configure that this two ads has to run for two keywords, three ads has to run for three keywords. Those kind of configurations are not possible. Okay, hope you understand. This is a master configuration. This is a master configuration for this ads and extensions. And next is we will be configuring which type of bidding that we are going to do. For an example, the bidding can be done in multiple options. Few options are maximize click is one option. That means Google will make the cost per click based on results. The ultimate result of this campaign is to get lot of clicks. Suppose if we had given a budget that every day I am allocating Google to spend 400 rupees, and in this 400 rupees give me maximum number of clicks. If this is the instruction, if we give it in the campaign level for this Google Ads will run the campaign up to a maximum of 400 rupees per day. And for those 400 rupees, it may spend 5 rupees for a click, it may spend 10 rupees for a click, or it may spend 25 rupees for a click, or it may spend 50 rupees for a click. But the ultimate goal of Google, it is to get the maximum number of clicks within that budget. So within that budget it has to obtain a maximum number of clicks. So that is the campaign objective that has been that will be applied if we chooses maximize clicks. And next what we have is the enhanced CPC, then we have manual CPC. So enhanced CPC in the sense, it is something like we can configure the cost per click. We can mention Google that I require clicks only for a cost of 10 rupees and not more than that. Okay, and along with that, we can this enhanced CPC will provide us a lot of information, like what is the cost minimum required to display the advertisement for this keyword in the first page. Suppose if it says 24 rupees and we had given 10 rupees as a maximum cost per click, then this advertisement will not show in the first page, right? But with the help of this enhanced CPC, the Google platform will automatically increase this 10 rupees to 12 rupees, then to 15 rupees, then to 6 to 16 rupees, to optimize, to get in such a way that to get the optimal clicks within the limit that we had given. So that is what enhanced CPC is. And manual CPC means CPC means cost per click. Manual CPC means we will be giving the instructions to Google that I want to spend only 10 rupees and not more than that. So in this case, whatever the case, the Google will not spend above the 10 rupees. If there is no advertisement available for 10 rupees per click, then the advertisement will not run. Okay, so these are the configurations that we do in campaign level. Then what we have is the ad group level. Suppose let us say I'm targeting India and I'm using the search campaign and I'm using a manual CPC. These are the configurations that I had given. So for each cost per click I had given 10 rupees. So inside this campaign I had created an ad group. So that ad group, I had created, let us say I had created three ad group categories. Okay, three keyword ad group categories. So one ad group will have 10 keywords. For an example, in the, if it is possible, I will try to change that sentence. Keywords one, keywords row UP group one, and then group two, and then group 3. Okay, so the first group will have, for example, we can give n number of keywords in a single group. We can give 100 or we can give 200 or 300. Okay, and let us say I had given some 10 keywords. 10 keywords I had given in group 1. For an example, I had given some groups, so I had given some keywords such as website designing, website development, and website services, website development company, and web development company. So multiple variations of website services and company I had given in this group 1. So let us consider I had given some 10 keywords. Okay, so these 10 keywords will be labeled as group 1, or we can label as any name in this ad group. But these 10 keywords, if I choose to be there in a group 1, if I create any advertisement for this particular group, all the advertisement will obey the orders of group 1. So this advertisement will show only for the 10 keywords which has been chosen in group 1, and it will not be shown for the group 2. Okay, so this keywords configuration will be we will be making all those, what are the keywords that we are targeting, all those keywords will be deployed in ad group category. These keywords will not be there in ad or extensions category, right? Hope you understand. So the secondary level of configuration with this, which is the keywords that we are targeting to run the advertisement, will be deployed in ad groups column. Otherwise I can say ad group category, right? And along with that we have other options, like each and individual keywords we can able to configure the pricing. And similarly each and every keyword can give the what match type that we want to do it for. So these are the match types that are available. So along with this I will add one more thing, keyword individual keyword pricing. So each keyword we can able to give an individual pricing, and each keyword we can able to configure in such a way that we can raise some 10 percentage, 20 percentage, 30 percentage. Those kind of options will be available in ad groups. Okay, so what is this match, phrase match? So phrase match is something like suppose I had chosen a keyword website designing. Okay, so if this phrase match is enabled, when people are searching for website designing in Bangalore or in Hyderabad, then also the particular advertisement will be shown for those keywords. We might choose in the keyword website designing, but when we enable the phrase match, if any keyword which has the same phrase, for an example, if something is there for best web designing, for that keyword also the advertisement will be shown. So that is what phrase match is. Phrase match means it will have the keyword. If the keyword combination is same how we had represented in this keyword group, all the additional words in the front and backside of the keywords will be considered as keywords that are targeted, and it will show the advertisements which are there inside the group. Okay, that is phrase match. And the next one is exact match. Exact match is easy to understand. It is simply whatever the keyword that we give, only people when they are searching for that keyword, the advertisement will be shown. For an example, if I give website designing, and I had given advertisement to run only for this website designing. So when people are searching for website designing, the advertisement will be shown. When people are searching for web designing, the advertisement will not be shown. The reason is exact match the words and text has to obey the same keyword that we had deployed in the keyword ad group. I mean keyword group in the keyword that we had given in the keywords which are there in the ad group. So hope you understand. If we give website designing, the advertisement will be shown. If we give web designing or otherwise something like web page designing or a website design, it will not be shown. That is what exact match. And what is broad match? So broad match is something, even if somebody searches for web designing, or even if somebody searches for web design, or even if someone searches for any relevant web page design, for those keywords also the advertisement will be shown. Okay, the advertisement will be shown. And that is how this broad match, using this broad match, we can use a single keyword, and all the associated data when people are searching for those keyword will be shown. But we have to be careful with this broad match. The reason is, even some keywords which are not exactly relevant. For an example, if someone is searching for web page optimization, learn designing, so it will be something regarding learning, but we are not those are the people that we are not targeting, but still the advertisement will be shown. So that means we might be losing some funds if we choose this broad match, if they are not optimized in the proper way. Okay, so then we, as I had already told you, we can individually give the keyword pricing. And one more thing is there, that is negative. Negative keyword we can configure for campaign level as well account level as well for ad groups as well. So what are these negative keywords? So negative keywords means when people are searching for some search terms and we are showing the advertisement, but if the advertisement are not relevant for the keywords that are that we had, that has been shown, we can consider these as negative keywords, and we can put those keywords into this negative keyword option. And the Google will not show the advertisement to these keywords when in future anyone searches for, so anyone comes with the search terms which are not relevant to the business. So this negative keyword is a manual process. After some certain time of duration, if we found some keywords for which the advertisement is showing, but the keywords are not exactly relevant to the company organization, so what we can do is we can put all those negative keywords, and although we can extract all the negative keywords, and we can put it into the negative keywords option which is there in the campaign level, or even we can use this negative keywords for account level. Okay, so that whatever the advertisement that we create in this account, every advertisement will not do for the negative keyword. Examples of negative keyword are, for an example, download PDF, free PDF, and download blah blah blah. So these are some of the options for which we do not require to show the advertisement. Usually these are sometimes considered as something like a spam text, and which we do not require to be done. And you will see this how it works. And then here comes the advertisement and extensions. So website designing training, so this is the keyword that advertisement that we are planned to build for website designing and training, right? So inside this advertisement, it will have the elements like title, URL I had mentioned here. So details about the ads. I think better I can take this and put it in the ads and extension column itself. Okay, so these ads and extensions will have the details about the advertisement like title, URL, and what is the meta description. It might not be said as meta description. We can simply mention as description. Okay, so because here whatever the description that we give, it will directly come and it will be reflected in the ad groups. It will be directly, I'm sorry, it will be directly reflected in the ads that are shown to be in the Google ads. Okay, and apart from this, what we can choose is location, city, and the state, country. No, these are not configurable here. And the keywords, these are not configurable here. Okay, fine then. So these are the details that we will be implementing in ads. And we will be finding the options like whether we are going to go for text ads, or whether we are going to go for responsive ads. So these things will be there in the ads and extensions column. Similarly, we have one more thing which is called extensions, and that will also be configured in the same way how we are going to configure. So extensions we can implement for the ad groups, and ads also we can implement for the ad groups. So extensions are something like giving providing the phone numbers, and provide something like providing some additional site site extensions. So these kind of options will be available with the extensions column that we have. So right now, let us go into the Google Ads platform, and let us check it out how this structure has been implemented in Google Ads platform, and we will try to create a new advertisement. So as I had already told you, the Google Ads campaign, Google Ads platform will be divided into three category. So those three category are here. One is campaigns, and the next one is ad groups, and the third one is ads and extensions. Okay, so if we choose the campaign, we will be seeing all the campaigns that are available. So right now, I had chosen the campaign. So these are the campaigns that has been created. These are the total campaigns that I had created. Okay, and if I click any of the campaign, it will take me to the Google. I mean, it will take me to the ad groups. So here you can see I had chosen the campaign which is DM projects lead generation, inside which I'm seeing an ad group, and that ad group name is digital marketing plan. Okay, digital marketing plan. I'm just saying for an example. Okay. So if I want to see the what is the advertisement that are running inside. Okay, before seeing the advertisement, we will see what are the keywords. So if I click this ad groups, I will be seeing all the keywords that are being listed in this particular ad group. Like what are the keywords that I am targeting, and from where I require the clicks to happen, and what is the impressions and click through rates, and average CPC, and everything were happening. So those details will be here. And next, we have the option for choosing what is a match type, whether you require a phrase match, or whether you require a broad match, or whether you require an exact match. So those details we can able to configure here. And apart from this, I have the option for negative keywords. So these negative keywords will be only for this particular group, ad group. So that means these are the negative keywords. I don't want my advertisement to be shown just if someone types like advertisement. So I had given the this closed bracket is mentions that it is an exact match. Here you can see when my match type is exact match, this will be mentioned. This will be shown as closed brackets. So I had given the black market reloader URL, and freelance jobs, and video apps, and how to code an app, etc. So these kind of words, I had used in the negative keywords, because I don't want to show my advertisement for these keywords. These keywords has been identified by me while I'm running a campaign. So while I'm running a campaign, whatever the locations that the advertisement is running, those search terms will be available here. Like you can see here, advertisement is the one search term for which I had got 2 clicks and 7 impressions. So which is not relevant, which is not specific. The audience might not be, even though I got 2 clicks, they might not be the exact targeted audience whom they are. But instead, if someone searches for digital marketing services, if I get some clicks, they are some potential audience for me, right? So that is why I had chosen this ads as a negative keyword, and I had added to the negative keyword. Okay, hope you understand. Fine then. So let us see what are the ads that are available in this group. To check out what are the ads that are available in the group, we have to click this ads and extensions. We will not have any other options like ad groups or campaign. The reason is we already chosen a group. We had already chosen a group which is digital marketing plan, which this group is inside this digital DM projects lead generation campaign. So we do not have any options like campaign or ad groups here, but only we have the option for ads and extensions. So if we choose this ads and extensions, inside we can see some ads, and inside the extensions we can see some advertisements. I'm sorry, we can see some extensions. So these are a few of the extensions. Like for an example, one is call extension, and the other one is site link extension. And similarly, like site link extension, we have one more called site extensions. Okay, and we have call out extensions, and location extensions. So we have some more extensions like lead generation extension, and the structure snippet extensions. So these are the extensions that are available. We will be seeing in later. Right now, let us go to the advertisements category. So in the advertisement, I can see digital marketing company, a market report at 500 INR for you, etc. Right? So this is one advertisement. In this advertisement, you can see I had created a title, and I had created a URL. I had created a description. Okay, if I click this edit, I can show you these details. Okay, so you can see here. So what I had created is a single advertisement which has a final URL where I want to land the people, and what is the headline one, digital marketing company. What is the headline two, market report at 500. What is the headline three for your business? So based on the searches, Google will show the headline one and headline two and headline three. Okay, if people are searching for market report at 500, then this will be shown here, and this digital marketing company will come to here. So the same thing, which had happened for the searches that we had previously did for website designing training, and right now, we have the headline three, and after that we have the display path option. So this is something like, this is the website URL that we want the people to land for. But when it comes to display path, this is the website link that we want to show the audience. So here you can see I had mentioned as digital marketing consultant dot online slash India. But when people click this link, they will be landed in expert.com. I mean, online slash expert. And one more reason why why I'm using this display path is, this is not only it's a URL slug, it is also the keyword. So if we use some proper keyword like digital marketing or report, etc., so the Google will find that this advertisement is highly relevant for the keyword that we are searching for, so that it will reduce the pricing, so that it will reduce the bidding option, so that it will give us a higher ranking, and which will for which we can able to spend less to get a better return on investment. Okay, so these are technical optimization factors, so which I had which we have we can which we have the option to use it in the display path as well. Then we have two descriptions, so ask for your custom, etc., and the one more also we also get to know which ad platform can we work with, right? So these two sentence descriptions will be here. So one is this one, and the second one is this one. So why we are giving it into two separate description is, according to the places, Google will choose to show only the one description. According to places, Google will find places to show both the descriptions. And if it is possible, Google will change the flow, like from description one will be shown here and description two will be shown in the second sentence. Okay, so the reasons why these kind of flexibility that we are providing to Google is, people will be searching for different keywords, and Google want to identify in a proper way whether the website is the search is highly relevant for the system that they are searching for. Okay, so this is what it is all about, creating a text ad. We'll be creating a text ad by ourselves, and we had seen the extensions, and there is one more thing that is required to be explained. Like, I'm in the highest campaign level now, so that means I'm in the account level. So in this account level, if I choose the ad groups, I will be seeing all the ad groups which are there for all the campaign. So one campaign name is website traffic, another campaign name is digital DM projects for lead generation, and another campaign will be having another name. But I will be seeing all the ad groups list if I am choosing this ad groups from the account. If I'm choosing this ad group option from the account level. Okay. Suppose instead, if I chosen some campaign, right now I had went to the campaign and had chosen some campaign. After that campaign, if I chosen some ad group, I'm sorry, after this campaign, if I chosen some ad group, I will be seeing only the ad group which is associated with that particular campaign, not the other campaigns, right? Similarly, the ad extensions will also be, it will be applicable. So right now, if I'm going to the master campaign, if I click this ads and extensions, if I see the advertisement, it will show all the advertisements which are there in all the campaign, which are there in all the ad group. So it will not be segregated, right? So if we want to segregate, we have to choose the ad group, and inside that ad group we have to choose the ads. So that is how we can able to see only the advertisements which are there in the ad group. Okay, all right. So apart from this, there are few more options which are landing pages, keywords, audience, demographics, placements, and settings. Okay, so what is this landing pages, and what are the keywords that we are running for and search? What are the keywords that we have received the advertisements? And when it comes to display advertisements, who are the audience that we are targeting, and what are the demographic places that the advertisement has been showed. All those details we can able to see it here. This will be applicable in the same way if we choose from the from the master level, then these keywords, audience, everything will be common for all the entire campaign. If you choose some campaign, and after that if you choose some keywords or demographics, it will show only for those campaign. Okay, so similarly the settings, if we use the settings at this position, it will be a master settings for all the account. But if you choose a campaign, then it will become a settings only for the campaign, right? Okay, so we will try to explore all these details, later after our practical session about creating a search advertisement. And after that, we will continue with some more options what are there, which are available in this, Google Ads. Uh, I will be explaining all those elements like audience segment and demographics and etc. Please repeat this last point. 3 5. So something, something half an hour before. Uh, I think Prithviraj, I think better you can ask me what is the doubt. Oh, okay then. That is great. That is great. All right. So Prashant Kumar and Prithvi Raj. So right now we are going to create a new advertisement. We are going to create a new search advertisement. So for that, I require you to share the screen. How I am sharing the screen right now. So whoever is sharing the screen at first, their screen will be presented so that I will be explaining. I will be guiding them in order to create a search advertisement. So hope Prashant is available as well. So Prashant, you can share your screen. The method is same like how I'm sharing the screen. You will be finding an option which is nearby the turn on captions, which for you it will be mentioned as present now. Click that present now, and you'll be shown with three options: entire screen and something like particular tab or something. So choose the entire screen. So after choosing the entire screen, it will show up a pop up and asking to select the entire screen. So select the entire screen, and after that, give OK or done or something which is saying asking us to submit. So click that option. Your screen will be shared. So once your screen is shared, I will start explaining you about how to create a Google search advertisement in your system. And before that, you can close some of the tabs if you feel that is not necessary. Just create one tab additionally to this presentation which you are viewing now, so that we can switch the tab and we can see how to create a new Google search app. Yes, you can start your screen sharing. Actually, your voice is a bit low. uh,
Again, if it's audible now.
yes, right now it is audible, much and clear.
If you can kindly repeat the process because I'm on the turn on captions menu choice.
Okay, nearby the turn on captions, you will be seeing an option called the present now. Okay, I think, let me to stop my presentation. So can you see the option present now?
Yes.
Okay, please choose that option present now, and you'll be asked with the three options: entire screen, and you will be having some additional options like a window, a Chrome
And a
tab.
Chrome tab. Yes.
Yes. Please choose the your entire screen, because a window etc. will create some issues while explaining. So please choose your entire screen, and you'll be having a pop-up from the Chrome asking whether shall we share the entire screen. Click the entire screen and just give OK.
Okay. Done that.
Okay, I'm waiting for the screen to see. That's great. Yes. So right now I can able to see Prithvi Raj's screen. Similarly, Prashant, you can share your screen as well so that I can assist you from here on how to create a Google search ad. Hope you might came through the laptop or computer.
Yes, yes, I'm to the laptop.
Yes, this is for Prashant as well. Prashant, you require any assistance in sharing the screen, or have you came through the mobile device? Okay. So right now I can able to see Prashant Kumar's screen as well. Uh, okay. So to start with, Prashant Kumar is presenting currently, and if I choose, uh, if I choose, if I choose Prithvi Raj's screen, now also I think everyone can able to see Prashant Kumar's screen only. Let me check if I have any other layout options. Uh, Prashant, I could not able to hear you. Your mic is switched off. So I can see the screen share of Prashant, and I can see the screen share of uh, Prithviraj as well. Okay, anyway, so let me to continue. So right now I will guide Prashant Kumar, and parallelly I can able to view uh, uh, Prithviraj screen as well. Okay, let us start. Let us start creating a new advertisement. I request both of you to create a new tab. In that new tab, go to the option which is Google Ads. Search for Google Ads. Search for Google Space Ads. I'm not sure whose screen I'm viewing right now. Okay, one screen is from Prithvi Raj, and the other screen is from Prashant. Okay, I got it. Now I got it. But yes. So Prashant, hope I think you already have some account, right? I'm not. Your voice is not audible. So anyway, we will go for. Okay, done. So I will tell you how to do that. Prashant, I am watching your screen. Just please do the instruction that I'm saying right now, so that it will enable your mic. Scroll, yes, scroll down towards the center of the screen. Hold, just see the options. Hold on. Yes, please unmute the mic. Can't find your microphone. Check your system settings. Okay, so I think it requires some changes. Okay, we shall log off. If you require, you can log off and log in one more time. Not a problem. I will be waiting. Uh, Hi Prashant, I could not hear you. Okay, Prashant, not a problem. Just enable your screen. That is good enough. You can use the chat option to communicate. We can we can resolve the mic issue. Not a problem. It is not a problem. We can use the chat itself. Okay, Prashant, please share your screen so that I can watch. I can able to give you assistance. Okay, so now I can able to see Prashant's screen. So Prashant, please choose the first result option, which is get more customers with easy online advertising. Just click that option. Not advertisement. First organic result. Okay, no problem. No problem. Go to sign in. Okay. So hold on for a minute. Oh, okay. I think I had seen uh, Kirtira's screen and I had guided Prashant. Okay. So, Prashant, so you don't have a Google account, right? So we will do one thing. Give the option which is yes. You want to type something? Okay, Prashant. Just I can see your screen. Just choose the option new Google Ads account. Yes, Kirtiraj. Actually, your voice is bit low.
Go step by step.
Yes, we will go step by step. Let both can go in the same way.
Sure, sure.
Can you able to see the Pratibha H screen? Hope you can able to see the screen.
Yes, I can.
Okay, done. That's great. So I will guide Prashant right now, and you can follow. You can follow the same steps in your screen. And meanwhile, if there is any issues, you can ping me. I will come and see your screen, and I will guide you. Uh, Okay, so right now, Prashant, choose the option which is switch to export mode. The option which is, yes. Are you professional marketer? Question mark. Switch to export mode. Click the switch to export mode. Uh, yes. I mean, Kirtiraj, right? Yes. Okay. So you can see the same thing, which is switch to export mode. Please choose that option. Okay. Hold on. Hold on for a minute, please. Prithviraj. Okay, Prithviraj, I'm viewing your screen now. Prithviraj, you can able to see an option which is, are you a professional marketer? Question mark, switch to export mode, right? Please choose the option switch to export mode. Uh, yes,
No, I
in this screen, Kirtiraj, you can see the option switch to export mode. That
okay.
option will be there. Yes. Okay. Now you can view the screen of our Google Meet. Just view the screen of Google Meet.
Okay.
Okay, so right now you can able to see Prashant's screen. So I will be guiding Prashant's screen, and parallelly you can work on it. So this is the panel that you will also be having. Just try to watch and do the same, as well
Okay.
as I will be giving the instructions as well. So if you stuck up at some locations, just let me know. I will come and assist you in how to take it to the next step. Okay. So right now. uh, Prashant, right now what we are seeing is it is the options of campaign. What are the options that are available in Google Campaign? We can optimize a campaign for the goal of sales. Otherwise, we can optimize the campaign for the goal of leads, and otherwise we can optimize the campaign for the goal of website traffic. There are a lot of options, right? So everything has its own ability. Please scroll uh, above the option which is showing as product and brand consideration. Hold on, not to click. The reason is because if you choose this campaign, you can able to do a display advertisement, and you can able to do a video advertisement. Okay, you may not able to do a search advertisement, or you may not able to do a smart advertisement. The objective or the goal of the particular campaign is to make the brand to be available in the global market, to give a to create a online brand. So that is why we will be usually using this option. Similarly, go for the website traffic option. Just scroll above the website traffic. Hold on. So here we can able to see, if we choose this website traffic option, we can create campaigns which are search advertisement, which are display advertisement, which are shopping or video advertisement, or whatever that is required. Through which we can able to get a website traffic. Those campaign tabs we can able to create if we choose the goal as website traffic. Okay, and we have leads and sales options, and sales option, when we choose, we will be implementing an analytical tool in our website, and when someone makes a purchase, and Google will optimize the campaign according to the purchase. So it will find, it will optimize in such a way that many people come and make the sales, comes and makes the sales process, comes and completes the sales process, through which our sales objective will be reached with the help of sales goal that we had chosen in this campaign segment. So right now we are going to create a search advertisement, and for that purpose let us choose website traffic. So click this website traffic. So same for Prithviraj as well. Click the website traffic. If you click the website traffic, you can able to see four options: search, display, and shopping video and discovery. Right now we are going to create a search advertisement. So click the search advertisement. Yes. Select a campaign type will be there. Choose search. Done. So below you can able to see an option that is enter the website name. So here, if you already have a business website, just enter your own website name. If you do not have any website with you, or if you do not have any website coming to your mind, you can type digital marketing consultant dot online, the one right now we are having with right now we are having with us. Yes, digital marketing consultant dot online. Done. Please scroll down. Hold on. So this conversions we will be creating only if we can able to go and there is a tracking code which we require to implement in a website and in a proper way, so that when someone makes a submission button, then only the conversion will be counted. So it requires some development, developer configurations. Right now we are not going to do. So we will do one thing. There is an option called continue. Just click that continue option and proceed to the next screen. So, Prashant, please erase the campaign name and give a title in such a way that you can give something like link click ads. Link click ads. Done. That is enough. And scroll a little bit down. Okay, hold on. So here we are going to create only the search advertisement, but this search advertisement will be shown in two networks. One is search network and the other one is display network. So search network is exactly in the Google search, platforms, and display network means there are places in the websites, the partner websites of the Google, where they are running some AdSense account and etc. And in those websites, the search advertisement will be shown in the places of display advertisement. Okay, so usually display advertisements will be of effective solutions for us. So we will include this Google display network with our campaign right now, and let us proceed to the next option. Scroll a little bit down. Okay, so right now we are at the place of target and audience. So here there is a location option where we can create advertisement for any location. Right now, let us create an advertisement to a very local place of what we are targeting or where we are looking onto. So choose the option enter another location and give something like pin code or a city or something which you want to target for. Okay, so once done, scroll down. Okay, hold on. So languages is going to be English, not a problem. Scroll a little bit down. Okay, hold on. So here we have the option for budget and bidding. So this budget is something, we are going to configure to Google how much amount that I'm going to spend per day. So here it is asking us to enter the average you want to spend each day. So give the average value of 300 rupees just for the experimental purpose. Yes. So right now scroll a bit down. Hold on. So right now we are at the session of bidding. So bidding is something, we will be asking to focus, make the Google to focus on which segment, but the charges are going to be for the clicks only. But still we have the option for getting some goals for clicks and other options as well. Please choose the option clicks. Yes, here we have options like impression share. We have the option for conversions if we enable the conversions previously. Otherwise, other optimization methods were also available. So right now we will go only for the clicks. I'm just showing you. The reason is because we have other options as well. That is impression share is something which we can able to get a lot of impressions share for the people who are searching for those keyword. Right now, please click the click option, and we will proceed to the next. Done. So here set a maximum cost per click bid limit. Please enable that checkbox, and the maximum cost per click bid limit, please provide a value which is 20 rupees. So by this way, we give the inputs for Google that not more than 20 rupees I want to spend. Scroll a little bit down. Okay, hold on. So here we have the option for site link extensions and call out extensions and the call extensions. Right now we will create a call extension and then we will proceed for the next option. So please choose the call extension option. So here, scroll a little bit down. Yes, a little bit down. Hold on. So here you can see an option, new call extension. Please click the new call extension option. Okay, so here you can change the country name, and you can enter the phone number, whichever comes to your mind. You can change the country name to India, and you can enter whichever the number that you want to put inside the phone number. Okay, so right now, scroll a little bit down and then give the save option. Yes. So right now we had created a phone extension, and we had enabled the phone extension to the advertisement that we are going to create right now. Scroll a little bit down. Okay. So give the save and continue option. So right now we are in a screen where we are going to add the keywords to the group that we are going to create. So let us create a group name. So erase the name which is already there, add group one, and we will create a new name. The new name can be right now you can give it as digital marketing projects. Okay, exactly. So right now, for the website name which we had already given at the campaign level, we have some keyword suggestions in the right hand side panel. So in these keywords, just choose some of the keywords which are relevant. Like for an example, you can choose digital marketing, you can choose social media marketing, and online marketing. So similarly, whichever we feel relevant to digital marketing projects, let us add some keywords. So Prashant, please add some 10 number of keywords randomly or something specific to the one we are right now looking for. Okay, hope we had added approximately some 10 number of keywords. So whatever the number of keywords that we had added right now, that number of keywords is good enough for us to continue. So let us do one thing. Scroll down and you can able to see an option called save and continue. Please click the save and continue option. Right now we are in the place where we will be creating a new advertisement, new text advertisement. So in the final url you are having a notification. So that notification is showing because we had not completely entered the url. For that it is showing an error that it is not using https and etc. So let us do one thing. Before the digital marketing consultant we will enter, I will tell you now, https colon double slash. And this is for Prithvi Raj. So Prithvi Raj, I'm viewing your screen. In the final URL at the beginning, just enter http yes colon double slash. Enough. So right now the error will not be there. And let us go for the next step. So we have the headline 1, headline 2, and headline 3, right? uh, right now the objective is to take some digital marketing projects. Okay. So give some titles through how the people will be searching for those keywords. Like for an example, I can give you some suggestions like digital marketing company. That can be a headline one. And the next one is digital marketing services. That can be the next option. And the third one can be best digital marketing company or top digital marketing company. So whatever that we feel relevant for the company, search terms that are relevant for the people, relevant for our business, we can able to give, we can give it in the heading one, heading two, and heading three.
Done.
Okay, that is great. So right now, what we're going to do is display path. Let us not to give anything right now. For description, we will give something we will give it. You can brief out something. It comes to your mind. It is just a test ad. If you want me suggestions, I can give you some suggestions as well. We are into digital marketing services for last 10 years, and you can give some details like we do digital market, we do SEO, Google ads, search ads, and display ads, whatever that comes to our mind. Just write some one sentence in description one and one sentence in description two. That is good enough for us for learning purpose right now. So hope we had completed description one and description two. So the description two is also something which we are going to create in the same way. Uh, Prashant, can you do me, can you go to the Google Meet that we are into, the nearby tab? Okay. Can you click the people option? Okay. Can you click the uh, Karaoke K Nights India presentation? Third one. Not in the text, but in the icon, logo or something. Yes. Can you click that? Okay. So you can able to view the screen of Prithviraj. Done. Just for confirmation, I had asked you to do this. Please go to the advertisement where we had left. Okay then. Uh, hope we had completed. Okay, so let us scroll down. Here we have the option save and continue. So please click the option save and continue. Okay. So right now it is asking us to create a setup billing option. So scroll a little bit down and you can able to see the business name. Give a business name. Done. Scroll down. Okay. So payment details we will add later on. Scroll down. Okay. Please give the option I agree to the Google ads terms and conditions, and please give the submit button. So it is asking for the card payment. Previously, it will not ask for any card payment. Right now, it is asking for card payment. So choose the option whether is there anything else that we have. Uh, Else, is there any other option which where we can able to skip this option? We will go for this is manual transfer payment methods. These are not required. Scroll a little bit down. Choose the manual payment option and check it out if we have something more. We have no other things, right? Okay. Specify your payment amount. I think it had become a prepaid channel. I think. Just scroll down. Okay. Can you scroll a little bit uh, towards up? Yes. Can you scroll a little bit more up so that I can see if there is any other option that's available? Okay. Okay. Is there any option to skip this payment? Can you scroll up? Yes. Create ads is done and setup billing is pending. Uh, can you give the back button one more time? Back button. No, no, no. I think we have to go to the create ads. So, is there any other back options there? Not to click the Google ads. It will completely take us towards the backside. Uh, okay. Scroll a bit down. Scroll a bit down. Okay, hold on. So here there is a manual payments, right? Let us give the automatic payments. Done. So we will add some payment method at this point, and we will make a hold. Uh, give the add credit debit card option is there, right? Please give this option. No, no, not the credit card. Just click what are the options that are available. So here we have Google Pay, Beam, UPI, money transfer, net banking, add, and etc. Okay, so Prashant, if you have any Paytm wallet or something, zero balance or something, you can add that Paytm number. So similarly for Prithviraj, I think this option has been recently added. I think without adding payment, options or linking a payment, we can't able to proceed with creating. We can't able to complete the search advertisement. But this process is not going to inquire us any value unless we are going to run the campaign. So just choose some option which is comfortable for you. Maybe Beam UPI or Paytm wallet if you have something, and just give the details of the Paytm wallet, and we will complete the process. Yes, please give the phone number and OTP if you receive, and instead of this manual payment, give it as automatic payment. Okay, so Prashant, can you able to solve the issue? Can you scroll up? Yes, so you had given the OTP. Scroll down. So it is asking for, okay, city you have to give. Please give some city name. Done. Please scroll down. Yes. So this is a manual. Okay, postal code also we have to give. Please give some postal code. Okay. And then the state also it will be asking. Please give the state. Otherwise it might show some error or something. Give Karnataka. Okay. Now the manual payments. Please choose the option. So automatic payment is not available. Then we will do one thing. We will make some transaction for 1 rupee, and we will complete the process. Oh, amount has to be minimum 500. Okay, I think you want to say something. Yes, I think I can show, but the problem is I am already in the export mode. Uh, your account, show your account if you have. Yes, so I can show that actually I already have an export mode account. So my advertisement creations will not be taking you through this kind of process. Anyway, we will do one thing. Please click the Google Ads option. Let us check it out whether the advertisements has been created or not. Just click the Google Ads. Yes, that is the one. Let us go to the home page, or else just make a re-login one more time so that we will see whether the advertisements has been successfully created. Mhm. Okay, I understood. So I think without the completion of the payment, I think we may not able to see the screen. So let us do one thing. We will wind up the creation of new search advertisement from this point. And if you want to continue, you have to give some credit card or something for automatic payment. Otherwise, you have to make some. I think for automatic payment, you can give the credit card. If you give the credit card only if you make some transaction, then only it will take the amount. So in order to create some advertisement by yourself, or if you want to see the platform's in-depth details, please provide your credit card details, and once you submit, you can able to see the you can able to use the advanced platform, but not right now, maybe later on whenever you require. Okay, from this I would like to take the screen for take it to my screen. So thanks for sharing your screen. You can close your screen right now, and I will explain you how the things will be there from my screen. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen. I'm sharing my screen right now. So hopefully, this option has been just recently added, because last workshop I can able to show the people without a billing, but right now it is not possible. So this feature might had been introduced just recently. So if you guys wants to log into the Google Ads and want to explore all the options, make a connect the Google Ads platform through the credit card, or otherwise through the debit card, and start you complete the ad creation process. Then you start to then you start creating the advertisements and explore. Unless you are going to enable the campaign, it is not going to charge you. So after you have logged in, after you had came to the login page, what you have to do is you have to ensure that all the campaigns are closed. So here, for an example, this is a green color. I mean, if it is in green color icon, then it is enabled. So give the pass option, so that none of the advertisement is running. So if there is none of the advertisement is running, you will not be charged. Okay. All right. That is great. uh, Fine then. So let us wind up for the Google ad creation process at this point, and let us go for a small tea break. We had taken some additional time, I think. So I think let us go for a small tea break and come back by 4:30, not more than that. So we will start by 4:30, and we will rush up all the things that new case studies and what are the things that are pending, and we will wind up the session by 5 o'clock.